Welcome back. Rico Moneybags here with another one. You know, the channel manifesting you some extra money into those bags so we can snatch up some BTC at 1, 2, or 3. But today we're talking about PMPY. We're going to do an update on the latest and greatest. And of course, at the end of the video, so stick around to the end. We're going to do some price prediction, technical analysis. You guys are going to love how the chart looks because we kind of predicted exactly this movement that we're playing out right now. But let's get updated with PMPY. Make sure you guys also tap in to the Moneybags mansion down below where I'm gonna be hosting AMAs, Moneybag alerts like PMPY is in there somewhere where you guys can go show support for PMPY with the emojis and whatnot on the post I did on PMPY already. But let's go ahead and get this started. Start at the top by following Prometheum PMPY on X. Make sure the bell notification is lit. Make sure you guys come over here, like and retweet everything. We got 76, 78, 63 retweets, 180 views. We got this from the team. So let's cover this really quick. We got some articles we're going to check out and those price predictions. We're moving steady. We're looking healthy. Let's get this started. We got this right here. Our team is determined to make a significant impact in the crypto industry and revolutionize the way people trade on a daily basis. Despite being a young project, we possess years of experience and have established extensive connections in the crypto space. It's not what you know, it's who you know. And PMPY knows exactly the right people right here. Our goal is to introduce new technology that will transform the cryptocurrency landscape and propel it to new heights. We firmly believe that Prometheum or Prodigy Flip will become the go-to platform for over 70% of the decentralized finance DeFi sector by the end of 2024. That is bullish right there if you ask me. We are committed to proving ourselves and making a lasting mark in the industry. Stay tuned for exciting developments and advancements as we work towards our vision. And we're going to work on this vision together. Like, subscribe, leave some bullish comments down below if you're bullish on PMPY, and use that Moneybags Mansion Telegram link to support PMPY. I also have some links down below for BYDFi. You guys can sign up and get some free bonuses. I think it's up to $150. Also, they got some Christmas giveaways, some stuff that you guys can withdraw later on and add to the PMPY bag. Let's go ahead and like and retweet this. We're going to show our support to the whole community. Like this, like that. Let's keep showing. We got this right here. We're actually going to check this out because we're up to date as far as that goes. I'm keeping you guys updated with everything PMPY, so you guys got to like and subscribe. Share this video not only on YouTube but on all social media platforms. That helps it out. We got an article from Benzinga. I mean, this is huge right here. Before I even got into crypto trading, I was already into crypto, but 2017 was I started trading crypto. I was already using Benzinga as I had an account, a trading account, and Benzinga is one of those places where you can look at pre-market movers and aftermarket movers and stuff. For those who have an account with 25,000 or more, you can pre-market trade and you can aftermarket trade. But this website right here has a lot of traders that look at everything that's moving right now. So this is a lot of exposure. So I think this is pretty bullish. We have this as well, Digital Journal, some more bullish news coming out. And also, although these are just articles, and we can see on Yahoo Finance, Benzinga, big hitter. Yahoo Finance is another one. We have this one right here, News Direct. But at the end of the day, we see the team fulfilling what they say they're going to do and some, right? We talked about this actually on here when they talked about the cards. So the cards are brand new. That's something that wasn't even on the roadmap. And we see this POTUS right here. So actually, let's retweet this from my man's Pablo Crow. Big shout out to Pablo Crow. Let him know I said what's up. So, you know, we see that the team is continuously developing, constantly working, constantly marketing, getting the word out there on PMPY. The community just got to keep engaging and doing what we're doing. That's why the chart looks how it looks. But we're active on Benzinga. We got Yahoo Finance. We got Digital Journal. What was this one? The News Direct. So that's another hot one right there. And then we're going to get to these charts. This is going to be a really good one right here. But check this out. This was drawn out, you know, days ago. Those who rock with me, you guys know what's up. We drew this days ago, but we are still holding strong. And I said, we could have some consolidation, right? Continue to find a floor. I mean, look at this. I mean, it moved exactly to that. I'm not always going to be 100% accurate. I don't want to portray that because none of this is financial advice. I want to say that you can tell when something's making a support and a resistance level, and you can see that it holds on because those are new floors, okay? Let's get these famous arrows out that are on the Rico Moneybags channel, and let's continue to keep this data as we continue to progress into the future with PMPY. Okay, so we see that support level holding right there. If we started going back up, right, we got Bitcoin cruising, flirting with 45,000, coming back down, fluctuating. We got Christmas, we got the holidays, so people pulling money out for this, that, and the other, which is okay. This is a free market to do as you please, but do not get shooken out of your spot because this could happen out of nowhere where we just pump up again, just like in the past. A nice level, a pump, some consolidation, moving to the right, and then out of nowhere something happens, some kind of development, something bullish comes out, and then you have the next level of takeoff because we're still holding above that 1 cent mark. That support level is at 1392. So right up getting close to that 1.5 cents mark. Remember, 1 cent, 1.5 cents, 2 cents, or another way of looking at it, $1, $1.50, $2. These are all psychological barriers that we got to have, that we're gonna break past. And we can see that, we consolidate and we have head and shoulders pattern right here. I'm actually thinking of something that I want to add to be able to identify these a lot easier for community members. I could probably talk to the team about something added to that prodigy flip because I do this, and some things that will help people identify patterns is pretty nice right here. So we got this going on. We got some consolidation. We're moving to the right. So any kind of motion right here where we continuously continue to hold on this level, it's gonna let me know, and most other traders know, especially those who look at Benzinga. These guys look at charts, they look at patterns, head and shoulder pattern, a wedge pattern. They look at the Wyckoff pattern. They all respect these things because they are self-fulfilled prophecy tellers. That's what they feel like. That's how I feel like, and that's just it comes with the gig. That's part of the being a trader. That's what happens. So we're gonna be looking at the resistance on that 1714, breaking above that, really pushing to that 2 cents mark. That is going to be that psychological barrier, getting above that 2 cents mark, which is a little bit higher, right? Working our way up here. This is where that 2 cents is at. We're actually going to mark that. This is going to be our next goal, as we start to march up into this next section. So this is where we're marching up to. Let's see if we continue to consolidate. I'm not going to move anything around. We'll see how this plays out and see if we can get into these upper ranges. So help me get the word out there. Everything's moving good. When other projects are dumping because of the holiday season, PMPY is still holding very strong, still developing, still getting marketing done. The community is still very, very active. So we're holding strong right here. We got liquidity at 2 million. We got almost 1,200 holders. Market cap's at 10 million, 0.5, and we are holding strong and looking very good. So look good, smell good, feel good, everything good. We're looking good as far as PMPY goes. Let's get past that 1714, break into the zone right here, see how this range starts to act with us, and people start to, read in between the lines that PMPY is here to stay, and this is a billion-dollar project. And we can push into these next levels very easily where we start talking about 5 cents and potentially 10 cents in. So like, subscribe, share this, use the links down below, tap in with me, rock with me. If you guys can't do that, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.